Hello and welcome to the training video for scheduling and creating work orders through Solinftec's SGP. To start this process, we would click in our username up in the top right, click on Records, and then Work Orders. This is going to show you a list of existing work orders that have been entered into our system. You'll see any information that has been entered here across the top for each work order, along with the status of those. And from here you can also see the history of that work order, edit the work order, or remove it. If you wanted to create a work order manually here, you would click the New tab. And any information that has an asterisk by it needs to be filled in, and then you would simply click Save. In this case, we will hit Cancel. If you had a system that integrated through the Solinftec SGP, you would hit the Integration tab here, and all the work orders would show up through your integration that you could click through and schedule individually. In this case, we're going to go ahead and hit the Schedule tab at the top. You'll notice the calendar here to pick which day you would like to schedule your machines and work orders. You'll also see a legend for your work orders over on the left, by product, by machine, their status, or crop traits. And you can also view them by all the work orders, the scheduled work orders, or just the available or unscheduled work orders here. In this case, we're sorting by products, and below is showing the legend, a color-coded legend for each of those product names that you'll see in the map here as we zoom in. This is also showing all of the boundaries for your specific branch. If we click on the Machine tab at the top, you'll see the branch name here, and then our two equipment groups for liquid and dry application. If we click the plus sign, that will show the equipment within that equipment group. We'll go ahead and select a couple of these machines. And to schedule those work orders, just hit Select Work Orders. The existing work orders in the program will pre-populate, and you can use the sort tabs at the top to fill in to find a specific work order, or you can scroll through and use these checkboxes to choose which work orders you would like to schedule. At the bottom, you'll see the option to schedule these manually and add them to the work orders. And in this case, you would have the option to schedule the work orders as you see fit. Or you can optimize with Alice, which will go through an optimization of the schedule with those two machines to schedule a route for you. So that is what we will use for this case. It's asking us to confirm that we want those 5 orders sent to those two machines. In the upper right corner, it says that it has been successfully submitted to our optimization schedule. And over here, we see that it is optimizing the schedule for those two machines. Here we see that our dry spreader number 61 has just one field on it. And you see the applied time, the travel time to that field and back, any clean time that would be required, as well as the applied acres. If we click here, we'll see the other machine listed. And that is where the other 4 fields have went that it found to be the most optimal schedule for. So we see fields 1, 2, 3, and 4 with all their scheduled information through the work order. This is saying at 8:40 a.m. that this field will be applied, and it'll take 16 minutes to get to the next field. If for some reason you would need to schedule field 4 to be first done, you would simply click on that field, drag it to the top, and Alice will reschedule each of these fields and show you what the optimization time change will be here at the bottom. In red, we now know that the difference is increased for 2.35 hours. So that is the cost of scheduling that field first versus the way that she had optimized it the first time. If we look to the actual map, you'll see the solid blue line, which is your route to the field, and the dotted line is your route back to your chem plant that the machine would take. You can analyze your results here in the top corner, and this will give you an overall view of your day's work, the work orders completed, the applied, the travel time, cleaning time, and again, your applied time. For further videos, please follow our website and our YouTube channel at solinftec.com. Thank you.